Kajian Kanhun Menteri ke Sarkar MDA2 haka artarik uno pra araja arpusau kala menjur ya kajing terwa bantung yau officer Meghalaya Agriculture Service MAC bala syong thaj uba Lyngdoh Suiam Chief Administrative Officer CAO ke Meghalaya National and Organic Farming Society for Livelihood and Innovation in Agriculture MNOFSLIA. Uba Paul Lyngdoh Menteri Sarkar berdong ai ketien ke Sarkar MDA2 ulaong bakatay kakam kanlong na kabenta laisnam. Hakaway pat kaliang ula pentip bakajiya lang kanhun menteri kala menjuri ka jingterwa bantung ya kakong Susana di Ritsong officer MSS balasyong thaj kum ka Registrar-Cum-Secretary jong Meghalaya State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission MSCDRC.
A proposal for appointment of Mr. Lyngdoh Suiam, retired MAS, to the post of Chief Administrative Officer of the Meghalaya Natural and Organic Farming Society for Livelihood and Innovation in Agriculture. I repeat, Meghalaya Natural and Organic Farming Society for Livelihood and Innovation in Agriculture. It was this matter was put up to the cabinet, and we approved the proposal for the appointment of the said officer, Mr. Lyngdoh Suiam, retired Meghalaya Agriculture Service Officer, for the post of CAO, Chief Administrative Officer, for a period of 3 years. In these specific cases, like for instance, this post of Chief Administrative Officer, the officer concerned, Mr. Suiam, is a highly qualified officer, and we are also in need of services of such officers, and it was after due diligence that this name was recommended.
Don't you think that there has been a
we have a dearth of qualified officers, and to make up for that deficiency, we have to take recourse to such.
Don't you think the expenditure is involved?
But don't you think experience also counts?
Too many are appointed.
Political appointees are.
No, this is not a political appointment. No, he is an officer belonging to that particular service, the Meghalaya Agriculture Service. It is not a political appointment. See, this is in this case, it is part of the policy of the Agriculture Department that in order to encourage this value chain development, you need to have such a board, and we have duly recommended an officer who is well qualified to handle the appointment of the Registrar-Cum-Secretary of the Meghalaya State Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. The Meghalaya State Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, which is a very important office, and a couple of names came up for consideration before the cabinet, and as per the recommendation of the department concerned, which is the Food and Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs Department, the cabinet has agreed to the proposal to appoint Srimati Susana di Ritsong, MSS retired, as recommended from the shortlisted candidates. So, Mrs. Susana di Ritsong has been now duly approved by the cabinet for appointment as Registrar-Cum-Secretary of the Meghalaya State Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. So these were the major items that came up for consideration by the cabinet.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ika dur jingki mar bam ka jing ma lani ka rukom shed yaki
Balehi banai kita.
ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus f menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya